Good morning, students. Today I will teach you about regrouping. Okay, how we can add any two-digit number with regrouping. Okay, so for example, 12, we have to add 12 with 19. Okay, so now we'll start from ones place, right? This one is ones and this one is tens, right? So now 2 plus 9, it will be how much? 11, right? Now see, 11 is what? Two-digit number, right? So this last digit stands for ones place and this number stands for tens place. Okay, so the number that is there in ones place will place in here because this is the place for ones place, right? Now the number that stands in tens place, now we'll send it to the tens place value. Okay, now 1 is there, so now we'll add the numbers that are in tens place. So 1 plus 1 plus 1, it will be how much? 3, right? So our number will be what? 31. Okay, this is how we can add any two-digit number with regrouping. Okay, one more I will do. Okay, so now the next number is what? 53 plus 19. Okay, so we have to add this number. So we'll start from ones place value. Okay, because while adding we'll always start from ones place value. So 3 plus 9, it will be how much? 12, right? Now see again, 12 is two-digit number and we can't place two-digit number in ones place. Okay, all the numbers should be one digit. Okay, so now these two, or I can say the place of 2 is what? Ones, and the place of this one, it will be what? Tens. Okay, we know the place value, so for that one only the ones value will put it in ones place and the tens value will put it in tens place. Okay, now we'll add first these two. So 1 plus 5, it will be how much? 6. 6 plus 1, 7. So our number will be what? 72. Okay, this is what? Regrouping. Okay, so if you get any number in ones place, okay, so you have to identify which number is in ones place and which number is in tens place. Okay, as you can see here, 2 stands in ones place, that's why I wrote 2 here. Okay, and 1, it is in tens place, so I just send it to here. Okay, so this is how we have to do, or I can say we have to add any two-digit number with regrouping. Okay, now we'll do some questions, okay, from your book regarding this regrouping. Now open page 166, exercise 5. Okay, so here we have to add this number. So just see, first of all identify the ones place and tens place, right? We'll start from the last line. Okay, we'll start adding the last line. So here first of all we'll start these two, we'll add these two, first two number. So 1 plus 2, it will be how much? 3. 3 plus 8, 11, right? So we got what? 11. Now this one is what? Two digit, having two numbers. right? So this one is ones, this one is tens. Now which number will place in ones place? Both are equal, right? Both are same only. But here this number, that is 1, will place it here in ones place, and this one will send it to tens place. Okay, now see, in tens place 4 numbers are there. Okay, so we'll start adding two numbers. Okay, so 1 plus 2, it will be how much? 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 3, it will be what? 8, right? So now we'll write here 8. Okay, like this only we have to do this one. Okay, now see the B part. So we'll start from the last line, right? So now here 2 numbers are there, 3 and 3. So 3 plus 3, it will be what? 6. 6 plus 7, 13, right? Now 13, this one is ones, this one is tens. Now which value will put in ones place? 3, right? So this one is ones place, so we'll put 3. And this one is what? Tens place, or I can say tens value, so we'll send it to the tens place. Now 1 plus 2, it will be how much? 3. 3 plus 4, 7, right? So now we'll write what? 7. Okay, now see the C part. So here we'll start 8 plus 2, it will be how much? 10. 10 plus 3, 10 plus 3, it will be 13, right? So this 3 is ones and this 1 is tens place, or I can say the values are in 3 is in ones place and 1 is in tens place. So now we'll write 3 here, okay, and we'll send 1 there. Now 1 plus 2, it will be how much? 3. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 2, 9, right? Okay, now see the D part. So 8 plus 7, it will be how much? 15, right? Okay, 15 plus 5, it will be how much? 20. So we'll get what? 20. Now this is ones and this one is tens. Now we'll put the value of ones in ones place and we'll send the value of tens in tens place. Okay, so we'll send 2 here. Now 2 plus 3, it will be how much? 5. 5 plus 4, 9, right? Okay, so like this only we have to do, you have to do, sorry, E, F, G and H, okay, in your classwork copy. Is that clear? So these 4 you will do in your classwork copy by yourself. Okay. Okay, now see question number 2. 2 word problems are given. So class 2 is going for a picnic on a bus. There are 36 boys, 42 girls and 12 teachers in the bus. How many people are there in the bus? So total this much of boys, this much of girls and this much of teachers are there. Okay, so total how many people are there? So you have to find out what? The total, or I can say the sum, right? So now we'll find out. Okay, now see, 36 boys are there, 42 girls are there, and 12 teachers are there. So now we'll find out the answer. We'll find out the total of this one. So 6 plus 2, it will be how much? 8. 8 plus 2, it will be 10, right? Now we'll place this 0 here because this 0 is in ones place, and now we'll send this 1 here because it is in tens place. So now 1 plus 3, it will be how much? 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. So there are how many peoples are there? There are 90 people are there in the bus. Okay. Okay, now see the B part. A man reads his storybook every day. He reads 23 pages on Friday, 33 pages on Saturday, and 18 pages on Sunday. How many pages did he read in all? So in total, we have to find out the total number of pages. So 23 pages on Friday, 33 pages on Saturday, and 18 pages on Sunday. Okay, now we'll find out the total pages. So 23 is there, then 33 is there, then 18 is there. Okay, now 3 plus 3, it will be what? 6. 6 plus 8, 14, right? 14, right? So now this 4, we'll place it here, and this 1 will give it here. Now we'll add these two. So 1 plus 2, it will be how much? 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 1, 7, right? So we'll get what? 7. So total how many pages did he read in all? 74 pages. Okay, so that's all for today. So you have to do E, F, G, H, okay, in your classwork copy, as well as the second number question, that is AB. Okay, these questions you have to do in your classwork copy. Okay.